Hello, beautiful soul. This is Sapy, and today we are going to practice some easy daily use English sentences. So let's get started. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. खाना लगा दो. Serve the food. Serve the food. बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. अपने बाल बना लो. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ. Don't make me angry. Don't make me angry. उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time. Let him take time. बक बक मत करो. Stop your gab. Stop your gab. जिद मत करो. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. मुझसे पंगे मत लो. Do not mess with me or don't mess with me. जूते पहन लो. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. जूते उतार लो. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. शर्ट पहन लो. Wear the shirt. Wear the shirt. शर्ट उतार लो. Take off the shirt. Take off the shirt. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. अंधेरा हो रहा है. It's getting dark or it's becoming dark. अंधेरा हो गया है. It's got dark or it's become dark. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. AC बंद करो. Switch off the AC. Switch off the AC. AC on करो. Switch on the AC. Switch on the AC.